What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. What happens if you want something to stay hot or cold in your water bottle? Well, then you probably need to step up to something that ain't just regular plastic, something like this. This is the Landnics, as you might be able to see there, Super Sports double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel water bottle. This sucker's 25 ounces. It's this beautiful, shiny stainless steel exterior. You can see we have a big lanyard on the cap here, and it's got a really big, wide mouth here. So if I unscrew this, you can see there on the top, it's got a kind of a plug, but what really seals this sucker up, you might be able to see it, we'll see it there, is that silicone ring in there. So there's like a flat ring at the top that'll create a nice watertight seal, and obviously some big threads there. And then you can see how big the mouth is here, almost an inch and a half. We also have a little strainer right here, so I'm gonna pull that out, and thankfully it has a little handle on it. So that just kind of clips in. You can see these little snaps on the side that hold it in place. So if you want to infuse this with something, fruit, tea, ice, you don't have to worry about it rushing back out on you. But you can see in there, really nice, obviously nicely constructed. Has some weight on it too, that's for sure. But you know, if you were to put hot coffee, hot chocolate in here, it should keep it nice and warm. If you put something cold in here on a hot day, like a cold or icy drink, fruit infused drink, that should keep it nice and cold too. We have a foam bottom here, so don't have to worry about it making a lot of noise or marring stuff up. So just wanted to give you a quick look at it, because this is a pretty nice water bottle, and especially in the winter here, it's going to be kind of nice to have, I think, especially if you're toting something around, heading to a football game, out sledding for a day, whatever. I think this is something that you might want to have with you. And on top of that, it is really cheap, even for other water bottle prices, whether they're made out of some sort of polymer or plastic. This thing was only, I think, $14. So for a large water bottle of this size, 25 ounces, I think that's a pretty good value. Check it out. Link is in the description below. Peter from Panda, out.